Possible Finance is generally the better option for people with bad credit because its approval process focuses more on your linked bank account and income than on your credit history. By the end of this video, you'll know which app is more likely to approve applicants with poor credit, how each company evaluates eligibility, and which one fits different financial situations. The short answer is Possible Finance. If bad credit is your biggest concern, it is generally considered the easier platform to qualify for than Albert. The reason is how the two services make lending decisions. Possible Finance connects to your bank account and reviews factors such as recurring income, account activity, and your ability to repay. The goal is to understand your current financial behavior instead of relying only on a traditional credit score. Albert also connects to your bank account when evaluating eligibility for its cash advance feature. It reviews your income, cash flow, and banking history before deciding whether you qualify. While credit score is not the main factor for cash advances, Albert is often viewed as more selective when reviewing overall account stability. That difference means someone with a low credit score, but consistent income, may have a better chance with Possible Finance than with Albert. On the other hand, someone with stable finances and regular deposits may qualify for either app. Neither company promises approval for every applicant. If your income is inconsistent, your bank account is very new, or you have repeated overdrafts, your application may still be declined regardless of your credit history. It's also worth remembering that these services are designed for short-term financial needs. Before accepting any advance or loan, review the repayment schedule, understand any applicable fees, and make sure the payment fits comfortably within your budget. If you want to improve your approval chances, link the checking account where your income is deposited, keep your account active with regular transactions, avoid frequent negative balances, and complete any identity verification requests as soon as they appear. Those factors often matter more than your credit score alone. So which app is better for bad credit? Based on how the products are designed and the experiences shared by users, Possible Finance is generally the stronger choice for applicants with less than perfect credit. Albert can still be a good option, but it tends to be more selective when reviewing banking activity and overall financial stability. The key points are simple. Possible Finance is generally more accommodating for users with bad credit. Albert places greater emphasis on stable banking activity, and maintaining consistent income and a healthy checking account improves your chances with either service. If this comparison helped, like the video and subscribe for more straightforward financial app comparisons.